two vectors a vector and b vector are such that a vector plus b vector equal to c vector and a square plus b square equal to c square. Which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1, a vector is parallel to b vector. Statement 2, a vector is anti-parallel to b vector. Statement 3, a vector is perpendicular to b vector. Statement 4, a vector and b vector are equal in magnitude. Here we have given two vectors a and b and the resultant of these vectors is given as c vector. So if we talk about vector addition in which a vector plus b vector is written as r vector, which is the resultant of a vector and b vector, then magnitude of r vector, which can be written as modulus of r vector, is given with the help of formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, where theta is the angle between a vector and b vector which are being added. So from our question we have given a vector plus b vector is equal to c vector, means c vector here is doing a work of resultant. Therefore we can write magnitude of c vector will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta according to vector law of addition. Then magnitude of c vector can be written as simply c, and if we taken out a square root on another side, it can be written as c square. So c square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. But in our question it is also given, that is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Therefore we can see in place of c square we can put a square plus b square, which is also equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So after calculating this one, on simplifying this equation, we will get 2ab cos theta is equal to 0, means cos theta will be equal to 0. This is possible when theta is 90 degree, means angle between a vector and b vector is 90 degree. Therefore answer of this question is a vector is perpendicular to b vector. Thank you.